The $1 million question some of us have in AMC stock is why in the heck so many people are buying every single day, every single week, every single month, but the share price is not going anywhere. Why? Well, some of us since January or even February in here, we all know the answer of the question. So I'm going to share with you something that I found really interesting because it's actually another confirmation, another proof that what we know is actually true, but there are still somehow some kind of foggy shittiness happening in order to prevent us from seeing the reality, and again confirming why we should hold even tighter. Okay, so I mentioned multiple times on my channel that the price that you see here is not the real price, because if we are buying week in and week out, but you don't see this moving, because personally I think AMC with the current supply and demand should be trading around, minimum at least 3 digits a share. I'm just saying that, okay? Believe me or no, let's agree to disagree if you don't believe, okay? Now, this is something I found really interesting because, right? This is Pith, okay? You can see that on this app, the share price of AMC on August 10, that was 3 days ago. Remember that 3 days ago where we had, after the earnings, we were up almost 10% pre-market and we opened up to 37, but we kind of closed down, kind of weird thing on the red, 5 to 6% on the red after so much bullish action pre-market. Well, actually something happened that day on the dark pool side of things. Look, average price 135, opening price 251, and then boom, markets open, bam, goes back down to 34, everything dropped. Okay, now this is another picture of this thing if you missed exactly what happened there. So this is August 10, you can see timestamp August 10, so 3 days ago. All right, average price 135, and then opening price 251.38, lower price 34.67, which was the price we closed before the day the the day the earnings are supposed to be announced. Highest price $768.5 and closing price 36.12. This is the tool. This is the dark pool. Okay, it's kind of giving an estimate of the data based on all the activity happening on the dark pool side of things as well. So guys, just to say, it doesn't surprise me because again, the price of this thing should be at least trading on the triple digits. Okay, I'm talking about 100 minimum at the very lowest minimum possible, because we have multiple millions of people buying and holding, not even counting the suits, okay, which have increased if we take the numbers from the filings of Q3. But not only that, we also have maths that we did confirming that there are many more outstanding shares that it should be on the float, kind of confirming that the overflow is either synthetics or naked shorts. So I don't know about you, but when I see this mess, man, I'm jacked, and it gives even more confidence into holding even tighter, because it's not because we don't see it now that it means we are not going to see it in due time. I'm just saying my 2 cents.